Your presence is heaven to me. Treasure of my heart, treasure of my heart.